everyone, here is a quick overview of the synchronous discussions and discussion posts. So we all are going to be supporting each other's learning by taking different roles. The person facilitating the synchronous discussion is going to work with me to identify the key ideas for each paradigm or the overview or heuristic that we're focusing on. And the rest of you are going to be doing the readings and preparing your discussion post. It's important to be mindful of the fact that none of us are expected to have mastered or have a complete understanding of a paradigm when we do the post or the facilitate the discussion. So instead, you'll see that part of what we're going to talk about is things that are confusing or unsettling, as well as just brainstorming together about some of the usefulness, strengths, and limitations. So here, for those who are doing the readings and preparing the post, you'll see what do you find most compelling, troubling. There will be a specific question for each module to respond to, and then you can identify questions that are coming to mind for you. Here, the facilitator is preparing by working with me and perhaps the other two people in the other groups who are facilitating to identify the key points, the key ideas, what are the methods in which we go about, and questions in which we go about implementing and utilizing these frameworks, and again, how we think about bias and values. So then when we get to the discussion itself, the facilitator will have posted the outline of those key ideas, and we'll begin by doing a very brief summary of what that person has come up with, and then start facilitating the discussion about the things that others have identified as destabilizing, troubling, or confusing, and then what seems very compelling or useful, and the questions. Then we'll transition into application kinds of discussions for the last part of the discussion, where we look at the readings on diversity or oppression and some of your interests in your particular focal areas, and start thinking about strengths and limitations of the paradigm for that. Please find the rubrics in G Suite, and all of what is posted here is in the syllabus. Take care.